So now we're going to be drawing the upper body of the Starship. So go into Fusion, right click on Starship version 1, new component, and name it upper body. Then press OK, hide lower body, and go to create sketch. Select the front face, and then you want to go to line, go to the origin, straight up, and make it 96 millimeters. And then from the origin again, go to the right, and make it 19.3 millimeters. And then from 19.3 straight up, and make this one 20 millimeters. And then from there, from the bottom line straight up, make this 20 millimeters as well. But what you want to do here is use sketch dimension between this line and make that 2 millimeters. Like that. And then from the top of the line that's in the middle, right here, click on that, go to the left, just like that. And now you want to go from the center to the right and make this 10 millimeters. But for this line, we want to click on it and turn it into a construction line, as this won't be a part of our sketch. As you can see here, the line is not there. And then click on line again, turn off construction, go to the right, and make it 5 millimeters. Zoom out. So now you want to go to line, turn on construction. So we're going to be drawing these dotted lines here. So first line is going to be from here, straight up, and make it 20. Click with your mouse, then go from there again, straight up, and make this one 20 as well. Oh. And then go to the left by 21, and click on the tick. And then from this point over here to the right, make this 15. And from the origin, straight up, make this 86. Click. So you have all your dotted lines. And now we're going to draw our fins. So go to line, turn off construction. So from this point over here, you want to go up to this point. And then from this point far right over here, straight up to the corner of the right angle triangle. And now go to create, select conic curve, the 15 millimeters point here, go up to the 86, go to the right, like this, and you want to get the middle of this 15 line, like that. So straight up, just like that, and make it go in by 0.6. Depends on your liking. Maybe I might have it as 0.5. That's better, so I'll take that one. And now the top line, conic curve again from here to down here, right there. So where the 19.3 is, like that. And you want to do the same thing. You want them to line up like that. So 2 dotted lines, and make it 0.5, like that. And press enter. We're almost done. It's looking a bit messy. That's okay. And now you want to go back to line, turn on construction, go from this point here, straight up until it hits the inner conic curve line. And then turn off construction, go from this point over here up to the point that we've just drawn. Like that. And that's the wing done. And click on Finish Sketch. And now we use Revolve. Select this point, this face, and this face. Then zoom out. Select the axis. It's the Z axis again. And change it to one side and change it back to symmetric. Like that. So it's the same process as the first one, the lower body. And press OK. And now turn on sketch number 1 and go to extrude. Select the outside and the inside part here. And then make it symmetric. Change it to 2.5. Operation to join. Then click on OK. Turn off the sketches. So you have something like this. And then we use mirror again. Mirror, body, select mirror plane. Then you want the left face, then press OK. So you get something like this. And that's part 3 done.